welcome to my channel. Ew. I understand if you want to click off now, but anyways, today I'm going to be doing how I edit my Instagram. And yeah, so follow me on Instagram. This video is promo. I'm almost at 2,000. I know that's not a lot compared to some of you beautiful women out there. I respect you and I love you and you are beautiful and you do you. Also, the background, I'm sorry, but I want to sit in my bed. It's after school and I've been through a rough time in life and I just need to sit in my bed right now. Anyways, this is my Instagram. I'll show you. I'm going to start a screen record. I have my Instagram stories, all my pictures, and then that part is ugly. But the rest is kind of cute from summer. I don't get to take that many pics anymore because of school ruins my life. Anyways, today I took some pictures. So these are all of my picture apps. I have VSCO. I don't actually know what this is. Let me delete this hoe real quick. Fonto is what I use to edit my thumbnail, so we won't be using her today. But I use VSCO and I pay $20 for a year. I use VSCO for videos if I want to put filters on my videos, and I can use any single filter for any of my pictures, so that's why I like it. So here are all the pictures I took. Wow, I'm just so unbelievably cute, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna click some pictures. So I kind of like this one, kind of like this one, kind of like this one. And normally all of the pictures I post on my Instagram are taken on a camera. Like, I just would rather have the quality look like that. So that's that, sis. So I'm gonna pick which picture to edit. I'm gonna use this one first. So this is my picture. It's probably not the cutest one I have. And I have all of these saved filters at the bottom. So how I find my filters that I really like to use on all my pictures, sis, is you go on Pinterest. Let me get to Pinterest. You look up VSCO filter. They have all these different themes that you can pick from, and I just go on VSCO and try every single one out on one of the pictures and then test it on other pictures to see if they match, if they look good, if I like them, if they would look good on my Instagram. And yeah, so before I went to the beach I picked one, and this one right here is my favorite. It normally works with all my pictures, but I'm not really liking it with this one. So I just go to this one, and yes, this filter looks good on me on this one. And what I have is the filter C7 chromatic, and it has plus 9.5, the exposure is negative 2.4, contrast 0.5, saturation negative 1.1, and the fade 3.0. And then if I don't really like how it looks, and we will edit her, and I'll just edit it to how I like it. I just play around with it until I like it. I ended up liking this picture the most. So that's about all I do to my pictures. I just put that filter on it. If it doesn't look good, I normally will just delete it and not post it. That's just me though, you know? But really, how to make your Instagram look good is you just need to pick one filter and use that every time, and then just correct it to get it how it would look good with your theme. And yeah, that's me, girl. That's how I do my Instagram. That's all I have for today, guys. Comment down below what other videos you want to see on my channel. If you want to see more school videos, comment what you want to see, comment questions you have, and I will answer them. Should I do a Q&A? Should I? I don't know. Comment down below. Thank you and bye.